So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to create or make Apple ID on iPhone and also iPad. Let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, tap on settings. Okay, in settings you tap on sign in to your iPhone. Okay, you can see a person screen don't have an Apple ID. Tap on that. Okay, you can see a person screen, it's asking for first name. Okay, now select the date of birth. You can see appears on screen, it's asking for a date of birth. Select your date of birth. Okay, you can see appears on screen, it's asking for email. Don't have an email address, tap on that. You can see appears on screen, get an iCloud email address, tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen, enter here. Okay, tap on next. You can see appears on screen, create email address, tap on that. Now you can see appears on screen, it's asking for a password, tap on continued. You can see appears on screen, it's asking for a phone number, enter phone number. Tap on continued. You can see appears on screen, it's asking for a verification code. Don't get a verification code, verify later. Tap on continued. Tap on agree. You can see appears on screen, it's signing in right now. Okay, you can see appears on screen, it's asking for a phone passcode. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to create Apple ID on iPhone and also iPad without any issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.